Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how you annotate a running pod, based on its own labels, if you will. So first of all, what is an annotation? Annotation is like if you go to a store, you put a little tag on the clothes, you can change what's on the tag without changing the clothes. So you have a pod. If you change the annotation, it doesn't really change the clothes. You use the annotations to something else about the clothes. For example, let's say that you only want to pick out the clothes that are older than 3 months or whatever. So you have a tag on the clothes with the date on it, so that you can then do things to certain clothes based on whatever the tag says, right? So it doesn't impact the pod itself in any way. You're just putting some labels on it so you can do stuff to certain pods. So first of all, I need to start a pod. So let's look at that. Okay, run -h for help. And I need to run a pod. Hopefully there's a example with a label on it. Yep, there it is. So we're going to run this pod that will already apply two labels on it. That's not the same as annotations. That will come later. So let's see if got it created or not. Still creating. I forgot the Hazelcast takes longer than nginx. It's probably heavier than nginx. All right, still creating. Let's do this. Let's run another pod with, all right, let's do nginx instead. And let's give it same name as nginx app equals nginx. So that should be quicker. See, okay, the nginx, that one now is created. So now we didn't have to do that. And nginx should come up. Yep, they're both running now. So now we have two pods. I think we can do kget pod -show labels. So those are the labels applied to this running pod. Now, what I really want to do is put annotations on them. So let's look up annotate -h to get some examples. And in this case, we're going to use -l for selectors. Hopefully I can get some examples over here. L selector. So I believe it's something like this. So k annotate. Let's look at an example. Pods and pod. And this time, instead of specifying a actual pod, we want to specify a descriptor, a label. So L and env equals prod. I believe that was, yeah, env equals prod is the criteria. And the annotation will be annotation 1 equals value 1. Let's see if that works. Okay, both pod got annotated because they both had the same labels, env equals prod. Now if I do describe pod and nginx, we should see that it has a annotation, namespace annotation 1 equals value 1. So I hope this was useful to you. If it was, please like and subscribe. That really helps me a lot, and I will see you next time.